Welcome everyone. Day 3.
3일차.
Learning the order of vowels. To find a word in a dictionary, you need to know the order. Write and read. Let's learn how to write vowels and read them together. Vowels don't have consonant, they can make sounds by themselves. Shall we get started? Draw a line from top to bottom. And draw it short from the middle to the right.
에.
Write A and draw an additional straight line at the end.
에. 야.
Write A and draw a short line to the right below it.
야. 예.
Write Ya and draw an additional straight line at the end.
예.
Draw a short line to the right and then draw a long vertical line from top to bottom.
에.
Right.
어.
And draw one more long line to the right.
에. 여.
While drawing, draw another short line.
여. 예.
Draw.
여.
Draw a long line on the right side.
예. 오.
Draw a short line in the middle, from top to bottom, and a long line from left to right slightly below.
오. 와.
Draw.
오.
And write.
아.
Next to it on the right.
와. 왜?
Right.
와.
Draw one more long line to the right.
왜? 왜,
Right.
오,
Draw one more long line to the right.
왜, 요,
Right.
오,
And attach one more short line to it.
요, 우,
Draw a long line and then draw a short line slightly below it in the middle.
우, 워,
Right.
우,
And add
어,
on the right side.
워, 왜,
Right.
워,
And draw another line from top to bottom in the right side.
왜, 위,
Right.
우,
And draw another line from top to bottom on the right side.
위, 유,
Draw another short line while writing.
우, 유, 으,
Draw a line from left to right.
으, 의,
Right.
으,
And draw a line from top to bottom in the right side.
의, 이,
Draw a line from top to bottom.
이,
We learned vowels this time. Next time, let's learn how to make letters. See you later.